Hi, and welcome to the Sunset Digital Literacy tutorial series. Today we will be going over how to use your mouse and cursor. So or your your mouse is what controls your cursor, which is that tiny white triangle on your screen. Sometimes you may not have a mouse, you may have just a touchpad on a laptop, which is totally fine. They work pretty similarly. For a mouse, you move it right, left, up, down, and it moves the cursor with it. For the touchpad, you put your finger down. If you go up, the mouse moves up with you. You go down, the mouse moves down with you. Left, right, etc. Both the mouse and the touchpad have a right and left click feature or buttons on them. The left click button will open a menu like so, where you can paste things, create new folders or other kinds of documents and files, and as well as take you to display settings or personalize. Um, personalize will let you change the background on your laptop. The left click button helps you select things and enter files or execute programs or applications. So one way that you can select things is going over it and just clicking it, and you can see there's a light outline around what you selected. So if I click it, left click something else, that is now selected. When you select something, you can copy it by right clicking, going down to copy, and then clicking somewhere else, doing a right click again, and pasting. So that will let you create a copy of that. You can also right click, go down, and delete things. You can also, when you right click, you can go into new and create a folder. Then when your new folder is created, you can type in what you'd like to call it and click away, and that's what it's named now. So you can also left click. If you left click over the text of an icon on your desktop, you can. If you double left click, you can rename it as well. And then you can either press enter or click, and that's what it'll be named. Let's practice deleting. So to delete, we're going to go over it with our cursor. We will press our right click button, scroll down near the bottom to delete, and boom. The folder was now deleted and sent to our recycle bin. If you want to select multiple things, multiple application shortcuts or folders, you can left click and drag, and that will select multiple things, and you can see there's an outline of the applications that I have selected, and you can move those around. You could also, if you wanted to, create a copy of all three of them, since all three are selected. Right click, paste, and now you have these three. When I did that, it was put up in a kind of a weird way, but you saw how it was copy and pasted. So now we can also, we have all these copies that we made, and we can select them by left clicking and dragging, right clicking over one of the icons, and deleting. And then one of these is also another copy, so let's right click this one, click delete, then we can move this back up over right to here. If you want to deselect items, you can just left click in the blank space like so. This has been the basics of using your cursor on your desktop in File Explorer or in some places on the internet. your mouse works pretty much the same. You can always right click for this menu, and clicking and dragging will often let you select multiple things. So if we go to File Explorer, we can click and drag and select multiple folders in here. Thank you for watching our video. If you'd like to learn more on how to use your computer, please go to our YouTube channel at youtube.com and look for Sunset Digital Literacy. Please like and subscribe to our videos. Thank you for your time. Bye.